Hello and welcome you guys. So this is the place I'm talking about. The name of this place is Two Studs. These rooms on my left are meant for 2 to 4 people. I shall show you the inside view in a little while. You can reach here by ferry. It is just 10 minutes away from the ferry point, or direct via car. We preferred car as we were a group of 10 people, but the traffic was insane. Check-in timings: you can check in at the noon around 12 and check out at 11 a.m. the next day, or you can have an evening check-in around 7 p.m. and then check out the next day evening around 6 p.m. This is the dining area. We had our lunch here. For lunch we had roti, dal, rice, veg kolhapuri, chicken curry and prawns masala. We can change the served food as per our preferences. So lunch tasted amazing and then we enjoyed it with this beautiful view. This is where we had our breakfast, snacks and dinner. For breakfast we had poha, burji, tea, coffee, and for dinner also we had different menus set for veg food and non-veg food. It also tasted good. This is the entrance of where we had stayed. There's a big hall with sofa set and a rock chair. The sofa set can be turned into a bed when you want to sleep. There's a private room, like with door I mean, and the blankets are the coziest one ever. I mean, like in love with the comfort of the blanket. Then there's TV working, the AC is working. There's a area over here, maybe we can just sit and chill. There's a kitchen with the refrigerator, stove, cylinder, everything attached. And towards the left of this room there's one washroom. There's stairs to the upper floor. Since we were the group of 10, so we had taken this entire section 1+1, so we could fit 10 people comfortably, and there were bedding and blankets, pillow, everything to suffice 10 to 15 people. So this is the entrance of the room in the top floor. These sofas can be converted into mattress and it can take up to 5 to 6 people. These two beds we have on the right hand side. Each bed can take up to 2 to 3 people. We were informed that in case if we need any extra bed, blankets or pillows, that can be made available. The service was really good. They were really friendly people and were available at whatever time we wanted any sort of help from them. We have these bathroom, very clean and good water service, and all flush taps, everything is working. And here they have this area. It is not occupied as of now. I think they might be turning into a gym area probably. We had seen treadmills and few dumbbells here, so I'm not sure what they are planning to do with this room. So we are here for my sister's birthday celebration. So we had made all the setup. Neil, the owner of this place, was so kind, so generous. He helped us by decorating the room before we arrived with balloons and happy birthday banners and everything. In the hall area we had this mini cake cutting session, and then we danced and then had food, drinks and all of that. We were not disturbed because of loud music or alcohol or anything. We could celebrate it as much as we want. We stayed up all night, and at 6:30 we went to see the sunrise at a nearby area.
Sun point. From here you will get morning 6:25. In 3 minutes it will sunrise from that side.
Unfortunately, it was a very cloudy morning and then we couldn't see the sunrise. It was all behind the clouds. We went to the room and then we slept for a few hours, and then morning we had breakfast. After breakfast, we headed to this beautiful place. It is just 2 minutes walk from Two Studs. Here we met few local catching fish and then few locals swimming. They were very friendly, spoke to us, and even we clicked pictures with them. We even had our mini foot spa session. We then drove around a little. It was a very sunny afternoon, but as the sides of the road are crowded with trees, we were enjoying driving through these roads. It was a really fun ride. Other major places to visit around are the Uttan Beach, Velankani Church, Uttan Lighthouse. But due to the current COVID situation, the church, the lighthouse, all of them are closed. So we then decided to just drive around. So this is the interior of the room which we had seen at the start of the video. It is one big spacious room with table, chairs, TV, bed, refrigerator and bathtub, just to name a few. This is the kitchen area. It is not functioning because of the COVID situation. Games like foosball, carom, etc. are also available for the guests. We had a really good time at Two Studs. Amazing food, amazing rooms. We liked the service also, very friendly people. And we also had this cutie to keep us company. His name is Oreo. So after spending a fun-filled evening at Two Studs, we checked out around 6. To sum it up, I would say that we had a great time at Two Studs. We are glad that we were there for the celebration. And we are returning very happily. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.